Okay, good morning and welcome back to a new daily outlook. Today we are going to review some of my trades from last week. We're gonna look for new opportunities and yeah, the week is almost about to get finished. So it is Friday, so let's see if the mark has something to offer for us. But first, we did hit our TP this morning. This is the third trade on gold already this week. First, we went long in this area, and then we went short, and we went short again. And now, actually, I really want to go back into more shorts. So I'm looking for shorts. This area, I think the high is very nice to cover. Um, but I want to get back a bit up a little bit. Yeah, just what happened here. Sorry guys, my chart is a bit messy. I just draw this scan box to know whether and when we are tapping into the 50 zone. We actually hit the 50 zone also in the leg back up, so the opportunity to go back up is also there. We had a very nice area over here, so that also could be like yeah, like no confirmation for our short because we went up into a very beautiful zone over here, so we can go back in towards new highs. But for me, what I really think, like a lot of people got liquidated over here and they sold in panic, and then they wanted to buy back in because they thought we are going to get back up, which make those people getting trapped again, and we all gonna stop them out, and maybe they will be panic selling again all the way until this low and go underneath this low, because that's how the market looked like at this moment. Also, this leg is going back down, so we also want to follow the current trend down. Yeah, that's actually for me the most likely scenario. Going more ahead into the 15-minute time frame, what just did happen internally. We have here our high. We have a trend down, so we have had our break once again over here, and we also created a supply zone which got tapped in right now. We have oh, we have here the last push in towards the high. So maybe we will just wait until we have a little bit of a break of structure over here in this area, and if that is strong enough, we can continue going towards the downside. Um, we don't have the full confirmation yet to go short. This was just first sight, like, "Ew, let's go short." I'm not really sure about it now because we could also have started a new leg up and towards the highs. There's a lot of liquidity here which can be taken out. So we keep the short in consideration. Yeah, let's go back into the next one. So we hit our TP yesterday. We were actually lucky because it went straight back towards our entry. But yeah, very happy about it. Yeah, this was really unfortunate. This was one of the trades where I didn't got into. I wanted to put here my trade, and then I missed. I couldn't get in. But we had like a beautiful supply zone over here, and I still decided to go long underneath this liquidity. It got respected for a little while, but then we were just we were retail traders. I forgot the word. Yeah, so we got stopped out over there. But our plan all along was, I think, very well. We hit our longs. We hit our shorts, and here also a short. We called this area. We got stopped out once, and we got stopped out once again. So This was one trade I got frustrated about for a little while. Didn't enter, so I was looking for a new trade, and yeah, when that happened, we went back more in towards the downside. We have a break here again, so maybe we can go more further down, um, into this low over here, because in general the GBP Swiss franc always goes down. We have like a small buy before the sell here, so which create us a supply zone over here, and also we have here a nice zone, so we will wait until something will happen there. Also a trade which we actually should not have taken yesterday. We should have waited, as I already told yesterday. We should have been waiting until our supply zone got more respected, and then wait maybe for an internal break. Um, we can wait for a break, or maybe we can choose to have our entry already over here, because also this is somehow our edge. I already put my trade in edge wonk, by the way, so don't want to go all the way lower than here. So this is an opportunity for us right now, because we really hit the 50 zone. We had our break. This is supply zone, the last little push before the sell off. So I wouldn't be surprised to go more further down. Same actually for EU. I would not take these two trades together once again. And to be honest, on the 4 hour, yeah, we see our small move back up, and then we swiped the lows over here. Um, yeah, also the momentum. I'm not really too sure about this trade yet. I would rather choose USD CAD right now, because we had a new little trend, low, high, where now we have a swing high, and this might be our swing low, but maybe also not yet. We could also go more lower into this box. The reaction is not too strong yet. We have a reaction, but the price action is a little bit messy. We could expect some heavy price action later, maybe today, if there is any news. Don't know what is this kind of news. So we would just wait for a strong push, or something strong, so we can create a new demand or supply zone. And yeah, other than that, what do we have? USD GPY. I was just looking at it. What happened over here? In the past, we actually created this area. Okay. Um, we are far in our premium zone. So that means we actually want to sell this. We have a really strong leg back up in towards the highs. We lose our momentum a little bit. Yeah. We have some resistance in this area. And now it's just waiting until we might get back down. We have here our last little push in towards the high. And then we went back down, which causing us a small break from this low. What will be our target? USD GPY. Okay, well, we respected this area. Okay, just let's wait a little bit. I don't expect price to leave too soon. We have still time to decide what to do. Maybe we could have a better entry later on. We have some hiccups here in the price action, so That is well noted. We don't want to dive back into this loan directly. So for now, it's just USD cut. Also reviewing this trade, by the way, we have two choices. We have to choose. Maybe USD cat is more attractive than USD GPY. We'll just choose one anyway, not two again like we did last week. Also on gold, we're not too sure about the short. This was our long trade last week, by the way. We have actually a strong reaction now up. So if we break this internal swing, because then this little supply zone got broken, and then we will have maybe like a new little demand zone over here, just waiting for price to go back more back up, and then maybe on the retest we will go long again in towards maybe new highs. So I don't know if this is all gonna play out for today. I think this low can be covered very well. We have our strong, very strong reaction over here. Uh, and we are actually doing very well on gold lately. So we might just also just wait for a new opportunity over here. I think first we will do a workout, work on our discipline, and yeah, then still I have to review some of last week's trades. Yeah, this was very unfortunate because I actually know before we sell most of the time we will have two legs up. So like one, two. I was actually targeting this demand zone first before we went down, but then it didn't happen. So I was too eager in the first leg. I thought I saw this reaction. Okay, we have this minor break, but next time I should take better attention because there's also liquidity bit taking out underneath this like small sell before the buy. And yeah, right now I'm just waiting. Maybe we can go a bit more lower into towards this box. There is a zone over there. Maybe this will be respected later on, and then we will yeah. So we have a few options. Actually, we stayed calm in all of these trades. Also in all my stop losses, we really stayed calm. Um, because also here, first we thought we are gonna get a front runner. We just waited for our limit, and yeah, in this area, and then finally we got stopped out, which is totally fine. For now, we're just waiting. I'm just not too happy about EU. Euro US dollar is also not my friend recently too much. We have this short plan maybe, and we also have our long plan. And I think our long plan looks better than our short plan. We have had our shorts. I think we want to go back in towards new high, maybe in towards this zone over here with some action, I guess. So this we have, I think, on the 15 minutes, yeah, a small zone and maybe some liquidity down here. My stop loss I want to have underneath at least there, not any lower. So there is still time possibly to enter here. Well, this is gonna be a 0.01 with the amount I trade, but yeah, well, that's totally fine. Um, yeah, it's gonna be yeah, this hard decision for today. I'm still learning, guys. Yeah. So as we said yesterday, this supply zone, didn't respect it yet. So we had one more push over it, and now the supply zone got really hit. Maybe we want to wait until an internal structure shift before we go all the way down. So I first do my workout, and then we might decide what trade we will take. To be honest, this also looks quite well. We are in high, so the downside is maybe bigger. So we will see. Let's wait a bit, and yeah. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.